Here I've got Alcatel OneTouch Idol free, and let me show you how to activate battery saver on the following device. So at the very beginning you have to open the settings, then scroll down, find and pick battery, and then you have to tap on more icon, which is 3 dots one in the right upper corner, and then select battery saver. And now you can either activate it right now, just tap on this switcher, and as you can see over here, battery saving mode is on, it's active. You can switch it off the same way, and you can also set on automatically. You can pick this feature, so anytime your battery is lower than 5 or 15%, whichever you prefer, let me pick for example 15%, every time your battery is lower, low power solution will be automatically activated. So this is how you can switch on and off battery saving mode. You can also set the rule, the automatic rule, so you can save the life of your battery whenever your battery is pretty low. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.